So today, this is the description about functions in Python. So functions in Python. So why we require these functions? That is the first question. What is the requirement of function? Requirement of functions. So the first and the foremost usage of functions is reusability of the code. Means if you have a program, and there are some lines of code like line 1, line 2, etc. And you are writing this line 1, line 2, line 3, and you have to write this line 1, line 2, line 3 again in your code. That means here you are writing 6 lines of code. So I can reduce this number of lines by the usage of functions. Suppose this is program 1. I am writing a function f1 which contains line 1, line 2 and line 3. Now I can change this program in another way with the usage of functions. So modified P1 I can write like this. So line 1, line 2, line 3, instead of that I can call the function f1. And again line 1, line 2, line 3 is there. Again I can call the function f1. If I call this function 2 times, I can modify this P1 in this way. Okay. So what is the benefit? Benefit is readability of the code increased. Readability of the code increased. That is the benefit of using the functions. Okay. Now we will see how to implement these functions in Python. So function is having two parts. The one is function definition and one is function call. Suppose in mathematics you have heard of these functions like f of x is equal to 2x plus 3, and you can supply any number of values to this 2x plus 3. That means this f of x is the function and it will give you some output by getting some input. Means I am supplying here f of 1. So the function I have to change like this: 2 into 1 plus 3, that is 5. The value given by the function is 5. Suppose means 1 is the value if I am giving, the function will give the value 5. Understood? So this is called function definition and this is called function call. I am going to implement the same function in Python. I have to define the function. In Python we have to use the keyword def. Okay, def. And what is the function name? Name of the function is f, and it is accepting some values. For that I have to give the parameters. So here I will give the parameter x. Then what this function should do? Return 2 into x plus 3. This is the value this function is supposed to return. Now I have to call the function. How I will call? I can call like that, f of 1. So what will happen? This 1 will go to this x. This is called 1 will go to this x, and the function will return some value 5. That will come here. I have to give some variable to hold that value. Okay, so I will give the variable v, that is equal to f of 1. That means whatever the function returns, this return value will come to this variable. Okay, now if I print v, value 5 will be printed. This is how function C is implemented in Python.